In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top on the left. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, you can pause. You can also click on blue button. To start again, click on white button with blue microphone. If you want to delete your text on the go, use this icon on the right. To access more options of voice typing, use this gear on the left and operate all of those. To go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!